Hi Spartans, I am Josh Spartan04. Welcome back to yet another Blue Fire video. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to put more accessories than just one on Roblox. So basically what you gotta do, you gotta download the Puffin browser. The Puffin browser basically allows you to go to desktop mode and basically allows you to use a mouse on mobile. See, I'm already in my thing. And if you are on mobile and you want to create some costumes, download download Puffin browsers again. Well, not uninstall and download again, just like download it for like the same reason as putting more things on it or whatever. You could also do that because if you click, okay, so if you go to the three dots, there will be request desktop mode. You do that, and then you do mouse, and you get a tutorial, and you get do you want to try a different mode or the pass mode? And I suggest using the trackpad. Haven't used that new one yet, but I don't think it looks very good. Alright, so now all you gotta do is you gotta use the mouse. The trackpad, you have to like move it around with your finger, like in the trackpad. So it's kind of, you'll figure it out. It's part of the tutorial too. Sorry guys. Oh, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. Sorry, interruption. And basically what you gotta do is which one you want. Like if you want to like put more hats than you usually would, that's one option. Or you can put more hair on, then you just have one. Because Roblox only allows one. You cannot do face though. Neck, that's one of them. Neck is one of them. Neck is one of them. I mean, I use this to put my golden headphones on and my video game tie. This is one of them. So, like, you can use the Twitter word. Oh, by the way, if you don't know what that is, if you just don't know, go to roblox.com/promo codes. Type in. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yeah, you could use both of them. And front, I don't know if you could do that one. I'll have to research that, try and use it. But because I only have one of those, like, bought, I don't really know. And the back, I don't really know about that one. Alright, so let's just do, like, a example. So, you wanna, I'm not saying you will, if you wanna, do a neck. Alright, so basically you have one equipped, right? Yeah, one equipped. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta go to advanced, right down here. Alright, see advanced? Okay. So then you gotta put in the code, well, the ID code of the thing that you want. So, like, the video game tie, you have to buy it first in order to work. Because it's not a glitch where, like, you could, like, put the code in and you could have any kind of item for free on your neck. That won't work. It could, but it didn't work for me. So, video game tie. So, basically what you gotta do So you gotta go into another tab. So you have to go to Roblox. Oh god, I messed that up so bad. Not Robux. Roblox. Okay. So now we're at my page. You can see some of my friends here. Just don't mind them. You have to click the 3 bars. I'm pretty sure everyone knows about that. Nope. I'm thinking something else. Okay, we gotta go to catalog. Oh, there's some new stuff. They got some new stuff. They got Javelin, Scale, Terrain, White Rose, Kingfisher. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. So if you're on Roblox, there's some new items. You might want to go check them out if you want to. So you go to accessories, go to neck, go not face, neck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright.
I told you could make one.
Sorry guys, I'm back. Another interruption. But basically what you gotta do is you gotta go to accessories, click neck. Well, it's finally working. And whichever one you bought, you have to type in the name. So, like, the one I got was Video Game Time.
Come on, Kitty. Come on.
I'll be right back. I am so sorry there is so much interruptions, but you can't really help it, can you? No, you can't. Oh my god. I've typed in vid. Alright, here we go. Video game tie. There we go. Alright, so this is what you do. You have to click on it if you're on mobile. Then you have to click on it and then you will get it. So, it working for me as you can see. So, you have to download Puffin Browser to do any of this. Just so you know. And, I would just go to Chrome just to, oh god, I got out of it. Ah! Alright, so you gotta go to Chrome. I have like a lot of crap on Chrome. Yeah, see right here. Already loaded it, just in case. So the code is like, well, my code. If you bought the video game tie, 121925323. So do 1219. Okay, 1219. Gotta remember that. Really gotta remember that. Alright, 1219. God. Ah! I went to actual Roblox. God. This is backfiring so bad! This is backfiring. Like, really bad right now. Alright, so. Got the ID. Now, you might want to write it down. Because I don't have any paper right now on me. Probably because I don't have any, paper on me right now. I ain't gonna be able to do it. So, yeah, if you do get to a page that says go with the Roblox app, ignore it. Just go, it's trying to make you go back. So just request desktop site and you will get to where you need to be. Alright, so now I got the neck. Oh my god, dude. Okay. Alright, so you got the video game tie. Go to advanced, like I said before. Alright, so now I gotta remember it. Okay. Or I can just look back. Okay, 1219. Okay, that was one of them. Alright. 1219. I actually gotta get into it now. 1219. 25323. 252. What? 25323. Okay. Okay. I got this. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Alright. Alright, come on! Alright, there we go. Alright, so 2. God dang it. Right. 2, 5, 2, 3. I don't even know if I got that right. So if I did. Nope, that's incorrect. I was giving myself self-esteem. Did not work. Let's just say that. Alright, can I get out now, please? Alright, there we go. Alright. So 2, 5, 3, 2, 3. Oh, it's 2, 5, 3, 2, 3. Alright, so we already have all this. Bro! Oh my god! Alright. Alright, let's see if I can remember all of this. If I do, I'm gonna be very proud of myself. Alright, here we go. Boy, come on! Alright, well, if this doesn't work when you're using the mouse, just click the keyboard button, and then again, you get to read it. Ugh! God! I will be right back with you once I've got it right. Alright, I'm back, so I'm pretty sure I have it now. Oh my god, I'm sorry it was backfired so much. And there you go. See? It will say saved accessories, and you have more than you want. See? So I got my video game tie. I got my golden headphones. So this will work on hair, shoulders. I will have to try the rest, and neck. Or hats if you really want 4 hats, because it already features like 3 hats or something. Okay, so that's how to do it. This was the tutorial. This was the tutorial on how to do that. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. You know, that really helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, so that was it. So you have to download Puffin. See that thing down at the bottom, which is a keyboard. If it doesn't work, click the keyboard button, and you cannot be on PC because you already have the PC, so it wouldn't matter, and considering it won't work either. So, and yeah. Alright, so hope you guys did enjoy this video. Sure, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.